EPLANT-Piping Advanced tutorial. This presentation shows how to import system default piping specifications or specifications from other projects. From our open project, we select the piping specification utilities that offers these options. We have 4 groups referring to piping classes, additional codes, branch tables, and verifications. We select the first one to copy a class. We have the possibility to copy classes from the system master or from a project. Let's see the first option. We can copy all or one only. We copy one only. In the selection menu, we see several examples that can be used to understand how to define a similar class and what end codes are suitable with materials like PVC or PP. It makes no sense to use them in a real project that will certainly require specific classes. We confirm, and the class has been copied to our project, along with its branch table, if any. We could change the name of this class, and we can see that in this project other classes were already defined. We rename it to B54 and leave its description the same. We could also copy and rename a class of the same project, for example the same B54 that will be duplicated with the C60 name. We can also delete one class, or all of them. We delete the 661. Other options are similar, apart from the last two that are already explained in specific videos in this very section. We copy again a class, but from another project now, and therefore we say no, we do not want to copy from the system specs. The command prompts to select the table containing the piping specifications of the other project. It is a DBF file located in the DBF folder of the other project and having SP as the last letters. These are the classes contained inside that project. Selecting one of them, that one will be copied to our project. We skip this with an escape. We exit from the Utilities menu too. Let's see now another similar option, but that has another scope. In this case, we would import the setup of another existing project. All settings are imported, but not the specifications of the other project.